to add Samsung Find to SmartThings favorite on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down. You will see second option is Connected Devices. So click on Connected Devices. Now here, so click on SmartThings. So after click on SmartThings, click on Home. So after click on Home, click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, you will see last option is Edit Favorites. So click on Edit Favorites. So after click on Edit Favorites, so if you want to add Samsung Find, so Samsung Find is showing here. So click on Samsung Find and click on Done. So after click on Samsung Find, so you will see Samsung Find is add on favorite. So after the process, click on Save, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add Samsung Find to SmartThings favorite on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.